Hey guys, today we are changing this 2.5 ton straight cool system. It's got a case coil on the furnace. We're not changing the furnace, and we're replacing it with an ACiQ R32 unit. I hope to get as much footage of it as I can. Stay tuned. Let's make sure we don't have any power. Check the ground. I do. I actually broke this, but I got another one. I don't have access to inside the house right now. We don't have a call. The tenant was supposed to leave the door open for us, and they didn't. So I got somebody coming to let me in. All right. Forgive me if y'all are wiggling all over the place. We may not use this line or even this disconnect. I'm just saving what we got. There was almost no pressure left in this thing. I didn't think there was any. That was weird. Oops. I'll hurry up and get this thing moved so we can start working on placing the new one. I'm looking at the color of it right now and it looks nice. All right. You just dump it. All right. Whew, you didn't know there was a pad under there, did you? Oh. I probably should have just put the other one on right on top of it. You never know it was there. Thought I heard somebody inside. Did you hear that? Yeah. I know. You know, one time I was sent to an apartment to work on the air conditioner. I was told nobody was going to be there. Gave me a key. I beat on the door. And then I used the key, and when I opened the door, there was this tattooed up big old thug with a gun pointed at me, basically saying, "What you doing in my house?" And I was like, "Hold on, man, I'm just here to fix the air conditioner."
What did he say then?
Then he was like, "Oh, okay. Why didn't you say so?" I'm like, "Dude, I was beating on the door. All you had to do was answer the door."
Or at least peep outside.
I know.
I wish I could help somebody.
I know. I don't even have a shovel. Don't worry about it.
I'll go ahead and bring that pad.
Yeah, bring the pad and I'll get a level. Some of what y'all didn't see on camera was that there was somebody in there. At least he wasn't wielding a gun. Nope, still not level. Much better. Not perfect. That's better. All right.
Which way do you want it facing?
Just like we got it. All right, this is my first one of these that I've installed, but this is a PSC compressor. It is not inverter driven. That is not an inverter board. That is not a defrost board. That is to control this little thing right here, which brings on the compressor, and that's your contactor. It monitors several sensors on the inside. Looks like this right here is for a DC. That's for your condenser fan motor right there. This wire. High pressure switch. Temperature probes. Honestly, for what we need, I don't think we need all of that. But hey, might help protect it if the coil gets clogged up or the evaporator or filter gets clogged up. That might help protect it. All right, this is the coil we are replacing. We don't have a ton of room. The coil, man, it's gonna take up a lot of that room. I'll show you when it's done. I've been running around catching calls while my installers finish up on that call, and I'm probably going to use this moment right here to show some pictures that I took before I left just a little while ago. This is an R32 system, so they aren't really familiar with pressures, and the honest truth is neither am I, but I am familiar with the temperatures. So I want to go put gauges or probes on it, read superheat, subcooling, stuff like that, and see how this thing's doing. Okay, we're gonna walk around here and see how it's doing. He already sent me a picture of his gauges. Whew. Man, that thing is straight producing. He had slime on it where he kept it cool. That is the first top discharge ACiQ I have installed. Tomorrow I'm doing another one, not another top discharge, but another ACiQ. I'm probably gonna have to come back. They told me they had a little trouble with the low voltage on this one, wiring up the A2L sensor. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow. They said they need a new filter. Get them a filter, come back and make sure that that's wired up correctly. And when I do, I'm gonna try to bring y'all along. Thanks for watching, guys. I do hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.